to. Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yesterday I added more to my Ethereum trade on the pullback, which is beautiful. I'm going to do technicals, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to show my trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you make money from me, I want you to hire social media marketers to push anti-war messages and messages of peace out to the world. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 932 bounced back from the low. I went from 913 to 960 to 918 back to 932. So up on the week about 20 grand, and on the month up about 200, which is beautiful. You can see yesterday where I added my Ethereum trade on the pullback. Ethereum pulled back to 3,500 on that dip. And I added 10 more Ethereum to that trade, which is beautiful. And you can see now sitting at 3,700. And when I originally opened this trade, I opened it at 2,100. So up 42% since then. Funding fee has gone positive. My Ethereum trade now 50 Ethereum, $63,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. 50 Ethereum, 2,500 entry now, 3,700 current price. And it's 128k trade, 63k in profits, and I paid $900 in fees. $900 to make 63,000, and now it's 128,050 Ethereum. Tony's also up 5,900, and Bitcoin trade sitting at 54. The Bitcoin came to a low of 14,700. I'm gonna set another trade. I'll set another trade there for Bitcoin at 14,700. I'm gonna set it for another half for Bitcoin at 14,700. 14,700 or add half for Bitcoin. Order cost will be 2,900. Confirmed. That trade is now set. So you can see where I've got that Bitcoin trade and the current trades that I have, which are now active, which is beautiful. Let's go into the technicals. Today, Tesla was up 3.5%. I bought another 333 shares of Tesla on that drop. I bought 333 shares at $300, so about 100k, and we got a bounce of about 3%, which is beautiful. You can see Tesla's in a rising triangle, in my opinion. Rising triangle, they build pressure, and they break up. Target would be the base of the triangle, 484. Let's go into Bitcoin and then Ethereum. Bitcoin, 17,000 on the weekly. We have 1 day and 14 hours left on the weekly. Still looks like inverse head and shoulders and bull flag still playing out. And if you count my Elliott wave count, you can see that we're in the second to third wave, the largest of the impulse waves. So I don't think it finished. I think we've got more to go. Third to fourth corrective wave, then fourth to fifth will be the final impulse. This is my target going on to October, where I have my targets for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Let's go into the daily. On the daily charts, stochastic is oversold, turning to head up. And we've got a kind of bullish pennant, pole and flag, bullish pennant, pole and flag. And the target of this bullish pennant is 137. And you can see my Elliott wave count and my final target, 146. Yesterday it came down, activated the trade. It would have hit stop loss if you put a stop loss there. I don't set stop loss, I just have orders because I don't like getting wicked out. But if you're a new trader, I do recommend set stop losses. So this is the descending triangle on Bitcoin. You can see here, descending triangle, builds pressure, and then breaks out. Target would be 126k. And the reason I found out the reason for that drop yesterday, the reason for the drop is someone, Galaxy Digital sold 80,000 Bitcoin that they purchased. They sold most of it yesterday. That's why we had the drop. Let's go into Bitcoin. So if I haven't taken a trade, I would set it at that new low. Actually, I'd open it at 14, where I just opened the trade, 14,700. Stop loss I would set at 13,400. But again, I just add more to my trades and add more margins. And target 146. Risk to reward is 26 times, risking 1,200 to make 32,000. No leverage. 10x leverage would be 320,000, which is beautiful. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum got a bounce back yesterday, came down to that low where I activated it. You can see that on the weekly we're at a big resistance, but it is kind of making a hammer candle, which is a bullish candle. This is a hammer candle, which is bullish. It's not a bearish candle, which is good to see. And then on the daily, you can see it's got a bull flag and a massive pole. If we measure out that bull flag, it's a huge one. If we measure out the distance of this pole, this distance here, target on Ethereum would be 4,700. And I do think Ethereum is going to run because now the ETFs are buying Ethereum. If you haven't set a trade, I would take it from that wick, 3,500, tight stop loss, take profit at the target, 4,700, risk reward 19 times. $63 per Ethereum to make 1,200, no leverage. 10x leverage will be 12,000, 100x leverage will be 120,000, which is beautiful. And those are the trades I have, and I added more to that Ethereum yesterday. 10 Ethereum to at that bottom. I caught it exactly on the bottom actually of that wick. You can see here we wicked down and my trade almost activated exactly on the bottom, and we got a bounce back, which is beautiful. 63k, 5k and 54k, and now I've set that Ethereum trade, the Bitcoin trade, to activate at 14,700. Join everyone in the Telegram. We have 684 of you online. People discussing, thought I got rid of people discussing, sharing trades, sharing their ideas. You can join them in here. 684 of you online. People discussing. You can join them, try to learn, try to understand what they're doing, try to charts, get the international translation with Telegram so you can understand everyone in the Telegram. And all the links are down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. Main exchange, I trade. Free Telegram, you can join 9,000 traders. Usually there's like 1,000 people online. Crypto, take the Crypto Master Course, Stock Room Master Course, Laws of Money to understand all this. Make sure you take them so you know what you're doing instead of gambling or just going in risk without really knowing what you're doing. And Weex, you get $200 bonus just for signing up. KYC free worldwide exchange. And join me on X as well, which is beautiful. You can see some of the gains from my students. This guy bought Ahmed bought a $2 million house. He's up 122k on investments, made over $1 million, bought a $500,000 villa. You can see I've got lots of students that have made mega gains over the years, which is beautiful. Let's answer some of your questions. 3 of 10, yesterday's video. Let's see. The best course ever. Thank you very much. Beard got high. Bitcoin getting hammered. Thank you, James. You're welcome. Trading ID failed. Bitcoin 115. Thank you so much, crew. You're welcome. You have been so consistent over the years. Thank you, Jimmy. Yeah, I've been making everyday videos almost for 6 years, sometimes missing out, but almost every day. Any thoughts on AI crypto? I like Nvidia, Google, Tesla for AI, and OpenAI once it becomes public company, and Grok. Thank you, James. Keep pushing for peace for all over the world. I will, Amina, and everyone. Just sold. Beautiful. If you made gains, taking profit is beautiful. That's me at 17k. It's guru time. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I hope you have a lot of gains, make a lot of money, and once you do, I want you to hire social media marketers to push anti-war messages and messages of peace. Love you all. Have an amazing day. I'm still going to give a giveaway on Ethereum, but it's got 2 days left to hit $4,000, and then I'll give away $1,000 if it does. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have questions, let me know down below. Make money. If you're skeptical, watch my videos for free. Try to learn, try to understand. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.